Alkaline. You know Alkaline I shoot him little video down the town. But you know a whole lot of people never did it. And me make a video and the whole of the Vendetta man them beat me and say yo, if you go tell Nanny if you S out him mother. You see me, but you see the
A few moments later.
People may have to make bad things make laugh, you know. So Alkaline walk through down the town people. And I just Alkaline and carry alone and one local lady. Alkaline and wave through breeze. Nobody look at Cartel on top of the video with some people. Look when Cartel walk through the town like a real superstar. Alkaline a pass through. He man carry alone. I swear to God, Alkaline sister here want to do big man thing. Look on her ear. Brother, Kerry can't be say you say you're rich and look at your ear, Kerry. You need a nice lace wig.
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
Empire. V again, Vice Cartel. Don't let them chick your ear. Lie them a tell. 2006-7 cartel them do this for the Gaza. A thief cartel sign. But you can't
suck your mother. So you remove your pussy wall and come down.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox. Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
Man, remember that youth, yeah? Yeah man, nanny man. Over TikTok there. You see me? Cause that brother, yeah. He come like, I don't know what Alkaline do him. But it's like, you realize he's a Gaza man. See? But the thing them went forward out in the media and talk about, bro. My first say, brother, yeah, how much that? Cause you not even realize what you do. You understand? Cause, brother, you set up your own self for the Vendetta people, them, bro. You understand? Cause when you forward in the media, you chat a bag of madness, dog. You see me? The best thing me I go tell you, bro, stop doing what you do, fam. Cause you only make people go start pray a certain way, bro. You see? Cause what you say, you forward out, you see Alkaline downtown are doing thing. You don't see the rest of the clip them. Zine, you forward out, and it's like, you want this Kerry, I talk about Kerry wig and all of them little thing there. Bro, you move like a waste man, brother. You understand? You see a man a walk downtown and doing video shoot. You go style man, sister and all of them little thing. You don't know say Vendetta people am go beat you, dog. You understand? For sure you, bro, like, you know meds like a G, dog. Something you have for you act like a big man, like a picnic thing. You understand? Yeah, like, brother, you're immature, dog. You see it? A bag of crap. But people, me gonna make you hear what I say, cause me have to make people them know, say, bro, you know no sense. And when them see a chat a bag of thing, them only a just beat you, bro. You understand? You might just beat in your comment and all of them little thing there. Cause you're a madman, dog. But people, hear what I say.
For Vibs Cartel, not Vendetta.
We tell them, you know, the V, Vice Cartel, West Bank, Empire, V again, Vice Cartel. Don't let them chick your ear, lie them a tell. 2006-7 cartel, them do this for the Gaza. A thief cartel sign. But you can't tell me more about them thing, cause I must say them incompetent. They can go and steal all they want to steal.
Yo. yo. People, him don't know where man set up himself, you know. Because, brother, first of all, that sign there is not originally born on West Bank, brother. That's a West Coast sign, brother. Cartel take that the sign there, bro. You understand? I don't know if Cartel I do no V sign born on Vendetta, brother. You understand? A West Coast sign the man always a put up, brother, and the man turn it in a Gaza sign, brother. You understand? We know say Cartel pirate a lot of things. I saw you things it. Is it? But what you say of madness, bro? Man say 2006. Me never see one picture yet. I one video with Cartel I put up no Vendetta sign, bro. Stop it, bro. You're sick in the head, my youth. Is it? Cause right now, you just have to set up yourself right now. Cause me know when the Vendetta people them see this over TikTok. A problem, dog. You're madness, youth.
Yeah, man, Nanny, if I get back at it again one more time, people. So, yo, people make a video about Alkaline. You know, Alkaline I shoot him little video down the town. But you know, a whole lot of people never did it. And me make a video and the whole of the Vendetta man, them beat me and say, yo, if you go tell Nanny if you S out his mother. You see me? But you see the thing I tell you about, you know, dog. The first thing I tell the man if you tell me if you S my mother. Instead, you just make some video about our artists, them and talk and whatever one go viral, dog.
Bro, first of all, Cartel are your artist, bro. Me never see you can just talk about Cartel and not bring up Alkaline. That's your problem, dog. It's like, make it seem like the Cartel irrelevant without Alkaline. And that make it seems, bro. You understand? Because at the end of the day, let me tell you what you do. And you alone do it. Your Alkaline there downtown in a Sunday morning. Seeing? I do him look him would not do maybe one video or maybe I do a photo shoot or something. See? You know, you take up a clip. Remember, you know, this is a Sunday morning downtown, you know. See? People there, you know, if you know downtown said Sunday morning early, you know, say, a bag of people there down there. See? First of all, you know Alkaline stay already. Alkaline, them man, they just, you know, the crowd business, the bag of hype and them little thing, the dog. You see it? So look here now. People see him, I got video. First of all, the road block off, police block off the two road them. See? So you know, what you do now, you know, you get one clip of Cartel. See? And you put Cartel video above an Alkaline, you know, video right there. So seeing you are try compare, brother. Cartel just filed from prison, brother. You are compare the man there one airport and people want to see him and all of them. First of all, nobody never knows like Alkaline got there downtown. So what you do this some madness, brother. And then you got this the man's sister about her wig and them rich and if she can't get a wig and all of them look at thing. They ain't saying no sense, bro. You're mad man, brother. It's a bad choice. I don't know where the man's sister. And y'all if people them a page people them a go page your brother. And this up cause you know no sense. You this up your man's sister. What the man's sister have to do with Wagwan. So you know no style, bro. You understand? You can't say something about Cartel and I bring up Alkaline. You're obsessed with the dog by you. You see it. But me have to make the people them know say yo, you know no sense. Cause I be a bag of crap you talk, bro. You see me? But here I say people.
You don't have to tell me about my mother. Because the idea me even care about words. So if you tell me that a million times, it's still not going to hurt me. Because I can say the same thing back to you. So you like to show insult if you get back insult. You don't even make no sense. If me I go insult you, me know say I go insult. Me don't make no sense me insult you. That turn out in a fight, is me so? That's why I can't be better man. Because we don't not even know if we analyze things. When I analyze life, and everything have to come with violence and come with disrespect. Me, disrespect carry them, you know, but in a decent way.
The man say disrespect carry in a decent way. Brother, yo, people, I tell you, know, brother. People, I want to listen to the clip where man attack, where him say about Kerry. I'm going to show you a clip, people. Alright, decide, people, decide.
To make bad things make laugh, you know. So Alkaline walk through downtown people. And just Alkaline and Kerry alone and one local lady. Alkaline and wave through breeze. Nobody. Look at Cartel on top of the video, Mr. People. Look when Cartel walk through the town like a real superstar. Alkaline and pass through. Him and Kerry alone. I swear to God, Alkaline's sister here want to do big man thing. Look on her ear. Brother, Kerry can't be say rich and look on your ear, Kerry. You need a nice lace wig. Yo, Alkaline and just Kerry alone and walk through the town and I wave them hand to Bumbuck. Right? This is a joke thing. Yo, this can't be real.
So that you know, people, you see, them man here, I tell you them man here stay. Seeing?
Me tell him, you know,
You see me? Him not no sense. You see?
a million times, it's still not going to hurt me. See me so? That's why I can't be better man, because we don't not even know if we analyze things. When I analyze life, and everything have to come with violence and come with disrespect. Me, disrespect carry them, you know, but in a decent way.
You can't say there's no, if you disrespect somebody, you can't disrespect them in a decent way. Disrespect a disrespect, dog. Because at the end of the day, you see an artist do a thing and then you go call out man, sister and all of them things. You know feel like say Vendetta people them go beat you. Eh? You know feel say them go this your dog. You say you know no sense you. You understand? Because you are talk about your you see a video with Alkaline, but you find a video with Cartel and a merge thing with Alkaline video and say yo, Cartel a superstar and this. A man we just found out of jail, brother. What them not say how long? First of all, Alkaline out in the street for nobody a run off him and them thing there, bro. That's why the man found out Sunday morning. The man no want the bag of crowd, dog. You understand? You will never see Alkaline at the street, so it shows the youth in them type of thing there. Cartel love that him, love the attention, that a theme thing. You see me? But true you now you love compare Cartel with Alkaline. I don't know what Alka do. You see it?
Or me take it for joke, then you get what I mean. But you messing up, Alkaline, you remember back in the days, when in Jamaica when you used to have like, you have the Princess Crunch, you have the Superstar. You see the video where we use now with Vice Cartel above and Umbre the up. You notice when they had the battle. Because everybody love battle. Yeah man, but the boss on top, you see? Yeah man, can we not go battle. But long story short, yo. Alkaline.
People, you know saying sick? Him sick. Like I feel like him head up there so now, not to write it. You understand? You can't see it. I don't know what. It look like they set him. Them set him for this or something. Me don't know. That man just you're different, dog. Me don't know what you do it, you. Me can't see myself. If me not rate an artist, brother, me not go and me have my artist. Me not go there every day, bro. Compare, brother. If me not rate the artist, what me go compare? You say Cartel greater than Alkaline. Why you always a compare him? Sure you say no sense, bro. Brain come like a matches box.
Star, my friend. Alkaline a Princess Crunch. Vice Cartel a real superstar. Alkaline a Princess Crunch. Yeah, dog. So Alkaline is not a real superstar. Alkaline is a Princess Crunch. Vice Cartel a real superstar. And hombre, I never when Vice Cartel released some jail that video there was. So you tell lies. So stop tell lie that. That video I think Vice Cartel was at the airport. We don't know him what the airport to go do. We don't know if I fly out today or him just go over to go to eat something. But
people, I'm a video boy watch, you know. Yeah, man, I'm a video boy watch. You see, because I video when Cartel must go Grammy and I mean a Chicago and nobody no did it. So, when I use back that video there for cramp him style. See him like when I posted Alka and talk about a things. So I hurt in his feelings now. You understand? So, him not no sense. You see it?
But the man enter the gate from the front of the airport and step out of the car and the people seen. Everybody and their mother forward down and fly down like a chicken out just to look on the dog or just take a picture with him. Because that's what a superstar is. Vice Cartel is a bigger star Alkaline, bro. So stop it, bro. Which what Vice Cartel took from Alkaline.
People, I want video me posting on the man feelings. Yo, dog, yo, people. You see, yo, you know what I say? Me not say nothing about him, you know. I tell you, dog. Me not say nothing about him, you know, people. All me do, I create a video and the man I cry over the top bomba. Yo.
Stop it, bro. Vice Cartel is a big, mega star. Alkaline is a Princess Crunch, bro. You just tell me, say yes. We know Alkaline to reach on Vice Cartel level one day. Just like how Vice Cartel do it, we know don't like him to be the next guy we do it like that. Nothing wrong.
Brother, Alkaline don't want to be nothing like Cartel, brother. You figure the Cartel go spend 13 years in a prison? You think Alkaline want to go prison, brother? If you don't want to take Cartel life, you don't take it, you know. But just know, say, you not go kick the sheep bucket for 13 years, bro. So, I don't know what you talk about, bro. Alkaline want to do film thing, brother. You see me, Alkaline, what Alkaline I do, film career, now have nothing to do with Cartel. That mean Alkaline don't want to be like Cartel, brother. You understand? Uno make it seems like that.
That. But it not gonna be, bro, because in that day, you remember, hey Zebra, you want to sound like me? Hey Tiger, you want to sound like me? Which one of them is the real one? I don't even know which one is the real one. Because both of them sound alike. But we know what the real Vice Cartel. And we know what the fake one. Alkaline of the fake copy, try to be like the boss, and the boss are the real. You don't take no rocket science.
You know what the funniest thing? I don't know how to do it. Brother, Cartel in the media, the man on TikTok, Instagram, everything. Right? You know see Alkaline on the social media and in the streets like Cartel and all of them things, brother. So I don't know where you talk about Alkaline want to be like Cartel, dog. I don't know where you get that from, brother. You can't contradict yourself. You see me?
To see what the real and what the fake. When some artists come out and try to be like the next one. Alkaline is the only one to come out and do it and try to say no, do it. And everything he do is obvious, we see it. We catch him every time. You know what I mean? We can tell a count of times. Count them. Cuenta. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times when we do it, brother. Simple as that, my dog. You get what I say?
Yo, people, I tell you, say, yo, yeah, some people out there, some mad people out there, dog. I tell you, that brother, yeah, I don't know, dog. I don't know if Alkaline take him girl or what. You understand? Because that man, bro, is like, everything what Alkaline do, I'm going to tell you people, everything what Alkaline do, right? I don't know where I'm getting information from. Him just forward back, I try compare. See him like Alkaline must get book for the show him up to the line I keep at Jamaica. Him find somewhere. Hear him now? Yo, you know say Alkaline rate Vice Cartel. You know see him name his show up to the line. See him like oh Cartel say you're up to the time. Everything what the youth do. Alkaline get a little clippings downtown. You don't know him go do now. Go merge the 2 clip with Cartel just reach at airport and the people them just to see him after prison. And I say, nobody no want to see nobody never Alkaline go and a superstar and nobody na crowd around him. You see it? Bro, I know you can yo, may I give you a task. More when you on your TikTok, seeing for 2 months. May not even say 2. 1 month. anytime you talk about cartel, don't compare him with Alkaline. I give you that task there. You understand? Just do that. More and see you do that. If you say your artist great, seeing, and him a big superstar, talk about cartel alone. Don't bring up Alkaline. No matter where you see in the internet with Alkaline, don't say nothing about it. And see how you survive. You understand? But people, you see me a while, so you go, some know say Alkaline is a very great, he's a great artist, you know. Yeah, man, he's a great artist, man. Because him are the only artist in a dancehall where me see, yo, everything them do them compare with everybody. You see me? Like, for them compare him against Cartel in a game for years, I used to just bust over a decade, and I still a compare him today. All when you know see Alkaline in the media and Cartel in the media do this and that, them still say the youth a copy. But I saw a thing said still, you see when you're great, yeah. And you don't know Alkaline I center attention, and if they not call him name, them not feel good. You see it. But as me say, just do that task. 1 month, talk about Cartel for 1 month without including Alkaline. Yeah, man. And see how that go. You see it, cause brother, some of the time when I forward on the media, dog, and brother, when I do the research, bro, you see me and come out on the feelings. Cause I know say a video I post when Cartel there Chicago, I put in your feelings, bro. I saw you think that, cause yeah, use a clip. You see me? You say a thing. Somebody does use back a next clip and show you, say, brother, it's right there. You understand? Cartel in Chicago. Cause him not understanding the people. So look how me do it now. Cartel, they not Chicago. I'm not Chicago. But Chicago. LA. I think a Grammy him a go for. See in LA. Me correct that. Him a go him there in LA. See in? So you know him a scatter them. They are LA, you don't know them have Grammy figure and thing. Early morning too, you know. So you know, no bag of people no day in the street. Seeing? So I see him thing with Alkaline. Alkaline are early Sunday morning. Nobody not to the downtown early Sunday morning like that. You will have one and few like liquor man pan the corner so. So I say alright, since you talk about that video there, I go talk about the same LA video early in the morning. Nobody know that they just Cartel them alone. So that's all I do about the dog getting them feelings. You see it. But I saw it go, you see me? When I play chess, you see me? Yeah. Yeah, checkers when I play dog. You see it. Yeah man, I don't know what things say. But people, yeah man, we have to teach them a lesson, you see it. And it look like him really want the Vendetta touch that him want. You see me? But go on youth, go and do it. But all me know just no say Vendetta people them not go easy up, bro. You go forward in the media and chat one bag of madness. You not ready for that yet, youth. You see it? Yeah. If Vendetta people them go touch you, dog. I tell you, them go touch you. If you go forward out and say something when it even make no sense, yeah. I just that. See him like if people forward out and I talk about the Gaza thing. You see me? I say things say. But people, and I don't know one media facts, you know. Yeah man. Big up on yourself, you don't know. That is it.